Now that you've analyzed your performance, you need to write your thank you notes. You'd be surprised at how many people do not do this step and how crucial it is to making you the candidate of choice. A thank you note does not need to be hard. It's usually only 5 to 10 sentences in length, but has to have a powerful punch to it. In the first part, you want to thank them for their time. In the second part, you want to reiterate your strength to the position. This should be easy since you will be able to refer back to your interview performance worksheet and pick out your strengths to highlight. This should be specific to the interview you had with this particular person. Finally, you want to let them know that you want the position and are looking forward to hearing from them soon. Also, if by chance you did not bring something up in the interview that you feel would make you a strong candidate, you can add a few sentences to highlight this experience. You will want your letters to arrive within 48 hours of the interview, so email is appropriate. However, if you really want to stand out, you can do both an email thank you and a handwritten thank you sent out the next day. If you choose both, the handwritten note can be short and to the point. If you interviewed with more than one person, you should send each person an individual thank you note. Again, this will make you stand out from everyone else. This could be the tiebreaker between two candidates. You should always proofread the drafts before sending. You don't want any last-minute mistakes to ruin your chances. As a final note, keep track of your interviews. This includes the date of the interview, the contact, as well as any other comments you would like to make. We've provided a worksheet to help you manage this. No matter how well you did in the interview process, you'll want to respond appropriately to their decision, which we'll go over in the next movie.